I tried something new today and I am so glad that I did. This might have just knocked snickerdoodles out of my #1 spot. These Greek yogurt cookies are soft, chewy, and absolutely delicious. Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome in. Now, let's get started on this amazing cookie recipe. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of white sugar. If you want a little more caramel flavor, you can also use half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar instead. Next, grab 113 grams of softened unsalted butter. Make sure it's at room temperature because it makes this step much easier. Using a fork, cream the butter and sugar together until it is well combined. Once that is combined, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. I like to keep a little extra nearby because if your dough seems a little dry later on, you can always mix in another tablespoon or 2. Side note, avoid melting the butter in the microwave because melted butter will change the texture of the cookies. Now stir everything together just until combined. When you're baking, it's always best not to overmix. In a separate bowl, add the dry ingredients. 1½ cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of vanilla whey protein powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt. Give everything a quick stir so it's evenly mixed. Now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Start with about 1/3 of the flour mixture and gently stir it in. Continue adding the rest a little at a time. This is where you really want to avoid overmixing. Stir just until you no longer see streaks of flour. Mixing too much develops the gluten in the flour, which can make your cookies less soft and tender. Before moving on, give the bottom of the bowl one last scrape to make sure there aren't any pockets of dry flour hiding underneath. Now gently fold in 1½ cups of chocolate chips. I use dark chocolate chips, but use whatever you love most. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, roll the dough into even-sized balls, and place them a couple of inches apart so they have room to spread while baking. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes, depending on how soft and gooey you like your cookies. If you like your cookies extra gooey, pull them out closer to 9 minutes. If you like a slightly crisp edge, leave them in a minute or 2 longer. When they come out of the oven, let them cool on the baking tray for about 5 to 10 minutes. They'll continue setting up as they cool, and trust me, they're worth the wait. I really hope you enjoy these cookies as much as I did. If you make them, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Anyway, have a great day or night, and I'll see you in the next one real soon.